Hey everybody, my name is Katie. I'm a mom of 4 kids and I'm always looking for new ways for them to be creative or whatnot, especially on the go. And this is a pocket watercolor set. This was sent to me. It has a cloth bag for storage, 9 colors of watercolor paint, 2 brushes, and it has a clip and a magnetic sheet. So it's got lots of great options in it. It also has another soft brush. So let's see. Let's see what it comes with. You've got your carrying bag, which is super, super soft. This is adorable. This is like the perfect little size for on the go. This would be great for travel, anything like that. You've got this right here. This is absolutely adorable. You've got those 2 brushes. You've got another brush here. You've got your magnetic features. So let's check it out in action. First, it did come with this little magnetic sheet right here. I'm gonna stick that on the back. And now it is magnetic. So you can use this little clip to clip it, you know, for wherever you want to take it or whatnot. Super great, super easy. So probably my favorite feature about the set is this pen, because you can literally put water in here and then the pen works like that. So you can get it on the paint and use it, which my daughter loves this stuff. And everything stores in the bag, which is another one of my favorite features, because everything is stored together and I know where it is. This is so easy to throw in your bag or take with you. So you can see here, my daughter absolutely loved this. She was super excited at how easy this worked. That was that pen. I literally added water and we were good to go. This is great.